Drums are one of the most common containers in an industrial setting. Despite this, they are usually too heavy to carry, dump, or pour out by yourself. This is why here at VESTIL Manufacturing, we make a wide variety of drum handling equipment. VESTIL makes everything from fork and hoist mounted lifters, clamps and positioners, to drum jacks, trucks, to carts and dollies. However, the highlight of this product line are VESTIL's hydraulic lifter rotators. These standalone units come in manual crank and electric versions. They also have a power traction drive system option, which allows you to move the drum lifter rotator instead of pulling it yourself. You can use these lifter rotators to transport or dump drums safely and easily. VESTIL also makes dedicated drum dumpers with higher weight capacities than lifter rotators. Ask us about our stainless steel chute and caster options. Crush drums in seconds with a VESTIL HDC drum crusher. These allow facilities to reduce their volume of waste by shrinking unused, dented, or leaky drums. VESTIL also sells drums themselves. Made of several different materials, shapes, and lid styles, we have exactly what you need. Please visit vestil.com to download our catalog or browse through our other drum handling equipment. We're VESTIL Manufacturing. We've got it.